Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the $16 billion Capex program. Now this program is to fix 6 main roads, 3 in Kingston and 3 in Portmore. This program is separate from the REACH program, which is $5 billion to fix roads across Jamaica, and the massive $45 billion Spark program, which is to fix 600 roads across Jamaica. This one is 6 roads, and the 6 roads have been identified. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening with the Capex $16 billion road program. The government of Jamaica is investing $16 billion through the Special Capital Expenditure Capex program to improve road infrastructure in the Kingston metropolitan area, including Portmore. Minister Morgan said the program will benefit approximately 1.2 million Jamaicans. It will include roads, drainage, water, sewage, traffic management, as well as ensuring future broadband connectivity, which are significant deliveries in the program. This ready pillar of our framework ensures that infrastructure projects are being built on a strong foundation, he noted. Minister Morgan said the Grange Lane upgrade, which is valued at $925 million, is now 98% complete, with the Brighton and Hellshire Main Road dualization project set to commence this month. Other Capex projects, he added, are in the implementation phase, including East Kings House Road, Lady Musgrave, the widening of the Sandy Gully Bridge, a new entrance to Portmore, and the expanded Arthur Wint Drive. Minister Morgan further noted that the Arthur Wint Drive project, or the Arthur Wint project, which was originally a smaller scale dualization project, has now been expanded from Arthur Wint Drive and Tom Redcombe Avenue to Camp Road. The Camp Road section has been added as it makes strategic sense to do so at this time. The institutional coordination within our ready framework has led to the expansion incorporating sewage and additional water line infrastructure, and ensures more significant benefits for residents, businesses, and developers, he stated. Minister Morgan added that the remaining Capex projects, which will commence in the third quarter of this financial year, are being carefully scheduled to minimize disruptions. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.